Alright, today I will be talking about why there is too much violence in media. Firstly, my thought on violence, and that was something different than what we had discussed, was about how it can really arouse anxiety in people who do get anxiety or people who don't. As you can see, this is one thing that really scares me, sharks, and this definitely causes me a lot of anxiety looking at it. There's an article that read participants watching violent movie clips has shown a greater anxiety increase than those watching non-violent clips. Both groups experience increased blood pressure and reduced heart rate during watching during movie watching compared to the baseline. Another thought is about how too much violence can take away the spirit in the home. You see on the left-hand side, there's a beautiful family watching a movie, and then on the right-hand side how violence can really affect the viewers. There's this article saying the Holy Ghost can help us put on the whole armor of God that we may be able to stand against the wills of the devil. And the Holy Ghost can help us keep our hearts pure and our virtual experiences virtuous. Here's my sources.